You want to make money online, but you don't even know where to begin. I am Macarthur Rd Jr., and this is Video Content Marketing. I want to tell you about a platform that truly makes digital marketing for beginners an easy, step-by-step process. Even me, a virtual beginner, managed to make $100 in less than 24 hours. You can do it too. Stay tuned and I'll tell you all about it. Now, I'm pretty sure that I was just like you. I wondered how these guys managed to make thousands of dollars a day selling products and services that were made by other people. And I'll bet you, like myself, watched hundreds of hours of videos and read everything you could possibly find about digital marketing and affiliate marketing. I understood what these guys were doing, but there were a few things that always escaped me. Where and how did these guys set up these systems, the sales funnels, the mailing list, the courses, the webinars? I mean, how are they doing it? And I don't know about you, but I didn't have a lot of money to figure it out. Writing sales copy for funnels and email lists and that sort of thing. Well, that seems pretty complicated to me, and I didn't even know where to begin. And to be honest with you, testing one against the other on a constant basis seemed pretty doggone expensive and time consuming. Just about a week or so ago, a friend of mine pointed me towards a digital marketing platform that's for beginners, just like me. Now, I myself, I'm pretty skeptical, so I did some research and checked out some videos about the platform. And after a couple of days, I decided to go ahead and sign up for the 7-day trial and try it out for myself. And I'm going to tell you, this platform has everything you need to become a digital marketing expert in a very short period of time for a very reasonable price on top of it. Now, I know this because I'm a complete beginner and I managed to make $200 in the first 24 hours. That's not too bad. So what sort of stuff does this digital marketing platform have? Well, it has a website builder, an email marketing platform, chat bots, copywriting tools, proven ready-made sales funnels, video animation tools, course building and webinar tools, a full marketplace tool for selling anything on your site. On top of that, they have an amazing affiliate program so you can make money right now. I know you're saying, Mike, holy mackerel, that sounds like a lot. And that's really true. And of course, when you log on the first time, you don't know how to use any of that stuff. So almost as important is the amazing stack of videos and tutorials and FAQs that literally walk you through step by step each of those products and how they work and how they interconnect with one another to help you make sales, build a website, run a webinar, set up an email list, or any of the things that you would want to do with this product. I mean, they make it easy, even for beginners like me. In fact, it almost seems too easy, and I totally get that. You only really get out of this sort of platform what you're willing to put in. You got to go through the training, you got to go through the step-by-step stuff, but if you follow the training and the steps that they give you, you will make money very quickly. If I can do it, anybody can do it. You guys are probably wondering at this point, all right, Mike, what is this magical platform? Well, of course, I am talking about the BUILDERALL platform. It's simple and well documented enough that even a beginner like myself could easily work with the tools and get them to work for me. The best part is there are 2 ways for you to check this out for free if you're interested. BUILDERALL is currently running a promotion called the 1 Million Entrepreneur Challenge. You can sign up for this and it puts you in a quick start program designed to walk you through step by step so you can be earning money before you ever pay a dime. The link is in the description. So join my team for the 1 Million Entrepreneur Challenge and you'll have that extra level of support because I'm going to help you any way that I can. Now, if you're not interested in the 1 Million Entrepreneur Challenge or affiliate marketing in general, but you're interested in what the platform has to offer, there's a link in the description to a 7-day free trial. You can get on BUILDERALL, check out all the tools and training available, and give it a free spin. Why not check it out? It's free. Now, if you like YouTube content that tells you how you can make a buck or two on YouTube or with digital marketing, consider elevating your strategy and subscribe to the channel. And ring that bell so you know when I have new content that comes out. This is Video Content Marketing. I am Macarthur Rd Jr. Be good to your fellow YouTuber. What goes around comes around. Market like a boss. VCM out of here.